Welcome to our channel, where we celebrate amazing dads. Today, we honor unsung heroes who selflessly give love and support. From late-night diaper changes to endless playtimes, dads make a difference. Join us for heartwarming stories, helpful tips, and appreciation for these extraordinary fathers. Stay tuned for inspiring content that celebrates dads everywhere. Welcome to our channel, where every day is Father's Day. Father's Day is all about quality time. It's a day to celebrate the love and bond between fathers and their children. It's a time to pause, reflect, and appreciate the role that fathers play in our lives. Whether it's a shared meal, a game of catch in the backyard, or simply sitting down for a heartfelt conversation, Father's Day reminds us of the importance of spending meaningful moments together. It's a chance to create memories that will last a lifetime. So, on this special day, let's make the most of it. Let's show our fathers how much we care by giving them our undivided attention, love, and gratitude. Because, in the end, it's the quality time we spend with our fathers that truly matters. Happy Father's Day to all the amazing dads out there. Creating cherished memories in the kitchen. It's not just about cooking, it's about so much more. The laughter, the aromas, and the shared experiences. In the kitchen, families come together, generations intertwine, and love fills the air. From passing down secret family recipes to teaching little ones how to knead dough, the kitchen becomes a hub of connection and tradition. It's where stories are shared, and bonds are strengthened. As we gather around the table, we create moments that will be cherished for a lifetime. So, let's savor those meals cooked with love and relish in the joy of creating lasting memories. Because in the kitchen, magic happens, and hearts are nourished. Embrace the power of food and the warmth it brings to our lives. Let's create cherished memories in the kitchen together. A magical moment between a father and his daughter. In the golden glow of the setting sun, they dance hand in hand, twirling and spinning with laughter in their hearts. In this tender embrace, time stands still, and the world fades away. It's a moment of pure connection, love, and joy. With each step, their bond grows stronger, and the memories etched in their souls. The father's gentle guidance and the daughter's trust create a dance that speaks volumes without words. In this enchanted moment, they create a memory that will forever be cherished. For it is in these simple yet profound moments that the true magic of fatherhood comes alive. A magical moment between a father and his daughter, a dance of love and a treasure to behold. The joy of giving and the surprise on his face. It's a moment that fills the heart with warmth and delight. As the carefully wrapped gift is presented, anticipation fills the air. The recipient's eyes widen, a smile spreads across his face, and time seems to pause for a precious instant. In that moment, the power of giving shines brightly. It's the thoughtfulness, the care, and the love behind the gesture that make it truly special. As he unwraps the gift, his excitement grows, revealing the surprise within. It may be a heartfelt letter, a cherished item, or a dream come true. Regardless of its form, it carries the essence of love and appreciation. The joy of giving is not just in the act itself, but in witnessing the happiness it brings to someone's life. It's a reminder of the profound impact we can have on others through simple acts of kindness. So, let us embrace the joy of giving and continue to light up the world, one surprised and grateful face at a time. Touching stories that will warm your heart. These are tales that remind us of the beauty and resilience of the human spirit. They are stories of triumph over adversity, of love that knows no bounds, and of kindness that spreads like wildfire. With each word, these stories weave a tapestry of compassion, hope, and inspiration. They touch our souls, reminding us of our shared humanity. They remind us that amidst the challenges and chaos of life, there are moments of extraordinary grace and beauty. So, gather around and immerse yourself in these heartfelt narratives. Let them fill your heart with warmth, ignite your spirit, and reaffirm the power of love and compassion. These touching stories are here to remind us that even in the darkest of times, there is always a flicker of light. Unforgettable laughter shared with Dad. It's a symphony of joy that echoes through the years. From playful tickle fights to silly jokes that leave us doubled over with laughter, these moments forge lifelong bond. The sound of his laughter becomes the soundtrack of our fondest memories. It's in those spontaneous bursts of mirth that we find solace, connection, and pure happiness. Whether it's a shared inside joke or an amusing mishap, these moments become the building blocks of our relationship with Dad. They create a tapestry of love and lightheartedness that we carry with us always. So, let's celebrate the infectious laughter, the playful banter, and the priceless moments of pure delight. Unforgettable laughter shared with Dad, a symphony that resonates in our hearts forever. Wisdom and guidance that shape us. They are the compasses that navigate us through life's journey. Like steady hands on a rudder, they provide direction and insight, molding us into who we are. From a father's sage advice to a mentor's words of encouragement, these pearls of wisdom become the cornerstone of our growth. They teach us resilience in the face of challenges, compassion in times of adversity, and the importance of integrity in all we do. With each lesson, they shape our character, building a strong foundation for the future. We carry these valuable teachings with us, cherishing the impact they have had on our lives. So, let's honor the wisdom and guidance bestowed upon us, for they have shaped us into the individuals we are today. May we continue to embrace their power and pass them on, becoming beacons of inspiration to others. Your heartwarming stories take center stage. They are the tales that touch our souls and remind us of the beauty of the human experience. From tales of love and friendship to stories of resilience and triumph, they inspire and uplift us. In your words, you weave a tapestry of emotions, painting vivid pictures of hope, courage, and kindness. Each story is a gift, offering glimpses into the depth of the human spirit. Together, we laugh, we cry, and we feel a profound connection. Your stories shine a light in the darkness, reminding us that we are never alone. So, let us gather around and celebrate your narratives, as they remind us of our shared humanity and the power of storytelling. Your heartwarming stories take center stage, captivating our hearts and leaving a lasting imprint. Capturing the essence of fatherhood. It's like trying to hold a ray of sunlight in your hands. It's a tapestry woven with unconditional love, selflessness, and unwavering dedication. From the gentle guidance in teaching life's lessons to the strength to protect and nurture, fathers embody a profound role in our lives. They are our heroes, our pillars of support, and the steady heartbeats of our families. Through their actions, they instill values, inspire dreams, and leave an indelible mark on our souls. Capturing the essence of fatherhood is like capturing a fleeting moment of pure magic. It's in the tender moments shared, the sacrifices made, and the quiet strength that shines through. Let us celebrate and honor the incredible fathers who shape our lives, for they embody the very essence of love and devotion. heartfelt reactions to thoughtful presents. In those precious moments, words fall short, and emotions take center stage. As the gift is unwrapped, gratitude fills their face. A smile, tears, and a reminder of the joy in giving. These genuine reactions become treasured memories. Let us continue spreading love and warmth with each thoughtful present. For it is in these gestures that we find the true essence of giving.